I don't think there are very many words that strike fear as much as the word cancer. A life-changing diagnosis to somebody who's in the prime of their life. It's personal in many ways. My mom is a cancer survivor, and what we try to do is bring that commitment, the mindset, the compassion that'll give them the best chance of beating their disease. Winship's mission is to discover cures for cancer and inspire hope for patients. And we do that by covering the entire spectrum of what it takes to improve the lives of patients with cancer, and then conducting population-based research to reduce the burden of cancer in our communities. We have a very strong clinical trials program that covers all cancers. We treat close to 1,000 patients on clinical trials every year at Winship. 20 years ago, we were happy if we had 30-40% effectiveness against cancer. So we've turned a page in understanding the biology of cancer and understanding what is unique about every patient's cancer.
Winship has the largest phase 1 clinical trials unit in the state of Georgia. We're coming in, meeting someone at a very challenging time in their life. It's a process of ongoing collaboration and talking about that research, giving it clinical direction. How do we bring it to patients so that it improves their lives? We've seen improvements in survival, but we want more. We want more cures.
One day you're up and you're living life, and then the next day it's just like your whole world is turned upside down. I couldn't catch my breath, I was getting lightheaded, I was getting dizzy, I was having hot flashes. Second diagnosis was, we think you have leukemia as well. So I got introduced to the clinical trial through my provider. The experience has been great. All the providers have been wonderful. I'm not just a number, I'm actually a real person to them. Being a part of Emory Healthcare has changed my life.
Emory was really at the forefront of clinical care, but also science, and thinking about innovation. One of the missions is to educate and create awareness about the need for improved cancer care. We then create a clinical trial where we test that hypothesis and bring that combination to a patient in the clinic. The relationships that we build are very unique. You can't do it without collaboration.
Just having a doctor that was really concerned about your well-being and wanted you to be your best, I think that really gave me hope. So although this may be your battle, it's not your fight, you're not in this alone, that compassion just has really made a difference. I've been responding well to the treatment. I'm now in remission. Going through this experience has kind of shown me what my purpose is. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but if you just trust the process and know that there's greater on the other end, it'll all work out.
It's incredible to look back and see how far we have come in the fight against cancer. People are living better and people are living longer. Cures are possible for patients with cancer. That hope comes from the outstanding people that we have here at Emory, with whom I have the great privilege of working every day. And I know that we have the solutions to cancer right here. And that's the hope I want to convey to my patients.
With discovery, research, and clinical care at the Winship Cancer Institute, we are where science becomes hope.